Anna.
Anna.
It's Anna. Anna, how are you?
Good.
Welcome to the show. So what did you make?
I made the ocean pollution solution.
Ocean pollution solution. So what exactly did you invent?
I made water dissolvable plastic bags and water dissolvable soda rings.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So how did you make a bag, though? What's it made out of?
I used a sewing base, and then I cut it into like the shape of the bag and cut the handles.
So this is made out of what now?
A sewing base.
Sewing?
Base.
How does it work? Show me how it works.
Well, when a bag like flies into the ocean or gets left at the ocean, it just like goes in the water and it will start to dissolve. For a normal bag, it takes 1,000 years, but for my bags, it takes like a couple minutes.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.